Today we will be showing you another way to purchase Snowge Coin using the MetaMask wallet. I'm also very excited to tell you in this tutorial today we will be using Snowge Swap, our all new in-house exchange. So let's begin. Now it's important to note that the next step we are going to show you involving the Binance wallet extension is really only necessary for those people using Binance.us. As if you are using Binance.us, you cannot withdraw BNB directly onto the Binance Smart Chain network. You have to withdraw it to the BinanceChain network and then use the wallet to transfer to the Smart Chain network, which we'll show you. Now, if you're using Binance.com, lucky you, you can actually skip this step and you can actually skip ahead to where we configure MetaMask for the Binance Smart Chain network, as this is not necessary for you. So our first step is going to be to download the BinanceChainWallet extension and create a new wallet. Of course, like any wallet you create, you're going to want to create a strong password and make sure you physically take down your seed phrase and store it in a safe place. Alright, now let's get our wallet set up to receive BNB from Binance.us. As I stated earlier, Binance US will only let you withdraw BNB on the Binance Chain network. So we're going to have to go up to the top of the wallet and change over to Binance Chain network. Once we do that, we're going to copy down our wallet address, which you can do by clicking that little icon you see there. And now we're going to want to log into our Binance account. It seems like withdraw is located in 2 different areas. Once you are in the withdrawal menu, select BNB obviously. Enter in your wallet address and then enter in the amount you desire to withdraw. Once you're ready, you can hit submit and then you'll be greeted with the 2-factor authentication, first being the text message and then second being the email. Once you've completed both of those, your BNB should arrive in your wallet shortly. Once you see your BNB arrive in your wallet, we're ready to do the cross-chain transfer. To do that, we're going to go up top and we're going to go to where it says Binance Chain Network, and now we're going to select the Smart Chain Network. And one important thing to note is that you have 2 different addresses, one for the Smart Chain Network and one for the Binance Chain Network. We're going to copy down our Smart Chain address the same way we did before by hitting the little copy symbol. And then we're going to move back to the Binance Chain Network. Go to send, paste our wallet address, and enter the desired amount of BNB we want to send over. Shortly, your BNB will arrive to your Binance Smart Chain wallet address. Just make sure you don't forget to go back to the top and move back over to the Binance Smart Chain network, or else you might be a little confused wondering where your BNB is. One thing I'd like to note is that the next step we're about to do, involving the MetaMask wallet, is completely optional. Binance wallet extension works perfectly fine with Snowge Swap. We're just going to include this for anyone who would rather use MetaMask. As you can tell by the Google ratings, MetaMask does seem to have a better user experience than Binance wallet extension. Again, it's completely optional. Personally, I would use the MetaMask wallet, but that's just my opinion. We actually encountered a little error. We got a blank page instead of the welcome page. If this happens to you, we got around it just by hitting F5 or refreshing the page. Setting up this wallet is very similar to any other wallet. I'm going to go through the prompts and create a strong password. And like any wallet, copy down your seed phrase Once that's complete, we got one more step. Out of the box, MetaMask does not have the Binance Smart Chain configured or added, so we're going to have to do that manually. It's very simple. We'll include the settings in the description, or you can just follow along with us as we do it. To do that, you're going to select where it says Ethereum Mainnet, and then go down to the bottom option that says Custom RPC, and enter all the settings in. It's as simple as that, and now your MetaMask wallet is ready to use the Binance Smart Chain network. To send our BNB over, we're going to copy down our wallet address just by clicking on it. And then we're going to switch wallets over to the Binance wallet, making sure we're in Binance Smart Chain network. We're going to paste our address and send our desired amount of BNB over. Once your BNB arrives in your MetaMask wallet, we're ready to go ahead and use Snowge Swap. Okay, so we're finally ready to use Snowge Swap. We're going to navigate to the SnowgeCoin homepage, and in the upper right hand corner, we're going to select Buy Now. That'll bring us to the Snowge Swap exchange. Then again in the upper right hand corner, we're going to hit Connect, and we're going to select our wallet. Proceed with the prompts and connect the wallet. Once you're ready, from the From menu, you can select the token or coin that you want to trade for Snowge, in our case BNB. And then one thing we want to note is that by default, the Snowge Swap exchange automatically sets Snowge to a 9% slippage tolerance, so a 9% fee for transactions. But also it's important to note that Snowge is a 2 to 9% transaction fee. That transaction fee is randomized though. So the maximum number you put in there, in our case 9%, is the maximum we're willing to take as a transaction fee. If we were to put 2 to 5%, that means that the maximum fee we're willing to take, or lose I should say, is 5%. And again, it's all randomized. It's just whatever you're willing to part with for a transaction fee. Once we hit swap, the transaction is going to confirm. You'll see up top that it says the swap went through, and we now have 29,500 Snowge. Now, I'm going to show you how to add a custom token to MetaMask, because if you go to your MetaMask wallet, you're not going to see your Snowge balance. So we're going to go up to MetaMask, select Add Token, and on the home page you'll see Token Address. We're going to copy that, go back to Add Token, and paste the contract address there. The rest fills in on its own. Now we can see our balance in MetaMask. Another neat way to see your Snowge balance with your connected wallet is just to hit the little wallet icon to the right of Buy Now. That will display your Snowge Coin balance as well as your BNB balance. Other than that, that concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions or just want to join the community, we'll include links for our Telegram and Discord down in the description. Thanks for watching.